So hey guys, I am Zirsha, you are on my channel called Devilo. This is my fourth video and today we are going to talk about the technology you haven't heard on earlier. Actually this product has blown up my mind. In the era of IoT based technologies, Sony has leaped off and never going to look back. Sony Wearable AC has been launched in Japan, exclusively for Japan right now. Yes, you have heard about wearable Android watches, but you haven't heard about wearable AC. Sony has done that, and let's check the promo of that product, and then we will talk about the drawbacks of this product and the specifications too. So as you've seen in the video that this is going to be smaller and lighter than your smartphone, but actually it is also going to be much more cheaper than your MI phones. It will gonna cost you around 8.5 thousand rupees and 14,000 Japanese yens. The technologies used over here is wine cooler technology and car AC technology. Now let's talk about the specifications first. If you want to change the temperature of your product, you can change it through your phone via Bluetooth connection, and it is a rechargeable battery. The battery is going to be used over here is lithium ion battery. Now my drawback is also connected to it. Lithium ion battery lifespan is around 3 years, and indirectly the product will be dead after 3 years. You have to charge the battery for 2 hours and you can only use it for 90 minutes. From my point of view, it is a short time span. And also the product is a non-water resistant product. If something like sweat and dirt stuck on the product, they will give you a hydroscopic soft cloth from which you can remove that sweat and dirt. But let me tell that in the initial days of product, this is a really flourishing product and we have to support this product. And mainly this product gonna change the IoT world, mainly on my point of view. So that's all for the day. Like, share, subscribe, please, I need your support. My insights tell that 70% of my viewers are my non-subscribers, so please subscribe me guys. Let's meet in the next video. See you soon.